Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to learn the parts of the plant part 2. Okay ma'am. So this lesson, this video we learn leaf, flower and fruits. Okay. First we learn that leaf. That leaf also coming under in the shoot system. இதெல்லாம் எதுல வரும் leaf, flowers, fruits எல்லாமே shootல தான் வருது. Shoot systemல தான் வருது. So next first we learn leaves. In the previous video we learned stem pathom. Okay, next we learn leaves. Leaves are the most important part of the plant. Okay, இதுதா என்னது plantல important part ni சொல்றோம். Most of the leaves are green in color. Okay, most of the leaves are green color. Leaves on plants have different shapes and size. Okay, எல்லா plants ஓட leaf மே same ஆ இருக்கும் சொல்ல முடியாது. Different plants, different leaves have different shapes and size. Already know that curry leaf is different shape. This is the hibiscus leaf and the rose leaf and then banana plantain. So these are all the different types of leaves. Next we learn the part of the leaf. நம்ம இப்போ என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்? Leaf, the leaf ஓட பார்ட்லாம் பார்க்கறோம். Okay, next we learn the part of the leaf. Okay, listen children, this is the part of a leaf. Okay, the leaf, this is the flat part of a leaf is called the flat. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்குல the flat part of a leaf is called the leaf blade அப்படினு சொல்றோம். The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf blade. This portion is called the leaf blade. The structure of leaf பார்க்கறோம். The flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade, and then that the top most part of the leaf blade is called the leaflet or apex அப்படினு சொல்றோம். Okay, the top most part of the leaf blade, இதுதான் leaf blade ன்னு சொல்றோம். இதோட top most part of the leaf blade is called the leaf tip or the apex. So this part is called the leaf tip or the apex. Leaf tip or apex. And then next the thin tube, the thin tube in the middle of the leaf is called the mid rib or main vein அப்படினு சொல்றோம். The thin tube ஒரு tube மாதிரி இந்த சென்டர்ல போகுதா? So this is the mid rib or a main vein. Mid rib or main vein. Mid rib or main vein. Main vein. And then the other small tubes are running along the leaf blade. Okay, running along the leaf blade. This is the small tubes. Can you see this leaf ma'am? So this is the small running along the leaf blade la irundhu chinna small tubes varum. So that is called the vein. Okay, so the other small tubes are running along the leaf blade or called the vein. Okay, this is the vein. இது என்ன சொல்றோம், vein அப்படினு சொல்றோம். And then next one is the petiole. Okay, this is the petiole அப்படினு சொல்றோம். Petiole is the stalk. இது வந்து இந்த இலையோட காம்புன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. So petiole is a stalk. Okay, that joins the petiole is a stalk that joins the leaf into the stem. See this plant. Okay, so this is the leaf. This is the leaf of the plant. So this is the petiole. So that join the leaf and the stem oda join பண்ணுது this part. Okay, yeah. So this is the petiole. P-E-T-I-O-L, petiole. So this is the petiole. Okay, this is the stalk. This is the stalk of the leaf. Okay, it join the leaf to the stem. And then the small tiny pores or small openings on the surface of the leaf is called the stomata. Okay, the tiny holes in the leaf la pathina neenga pakkathula vechu paatha alaga theriyum. Okay, small holes or tiny pores. Okay, chinna holes irukum. So that is called the stomata. Okay, this stomata helps into the plants breathe. Okay, the stomata is a breathing organ. Okay ma, so already you know that plants so the breathing organ is called the stomata. Okay, tiny pores or small openings on the surface of the leaf. The leaf oda surface la irukudhu, so that is called the stomata. They help us the plant breathe. Okay, so this is the part of a plant. The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf blade. This is the leaf blade. The topmost part of the leaf blade is called the leaf tip or apex. And then the thin tube in the middle of the leaf is called the midrib or main vein. And then other small tubes running along the leaf blade is called the vein. Chinna tubes are irukla, so that is called the vein. And then petiole is a stalk that join the leaf to the stem. This is the leaf. This is the petiole. This is join the leaf into the stem. And then next that small tiny pores or small openings on the surface of the leaf are called the stomata. So these helps the plants to breathe. Next we learn the functions of leaf. Leaf oda functions enna appdin paakalam. Next we learn the functions of leaf. Already know leaf absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Okay ma, absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen by prepare the and get the water vapor into the air through stomata. Okay, so already know that the leaves da வந்து plant oda food preparing part. So இது என்ன செய்யும், oxygen release பண்ணிட்டு carbon dioxide absorb பண்ணிட்டு airல உள்ள water vapor எது மூலமா எடுக்குது, the stomata, the small holes present on the surface of the leaf. So அது மூலமா get water vapor in the air. Okay, yeah. So first point enna, leaves absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen and water vapor in the air through stomata. And then already know leaves are the kitchen of the plant. Okay, நம்ம leaves தான் என்ன சொல்றோம்? Leaves are the kitchen of the plant because of the leaves only preparing the food. So leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant, and by producing and using the by which the food prepared because of sunlight, by using sunlight, water, and then carbon dioxide, and the green color pigment is called the chlorophyll. The leaves எல்லாம் green color ல இருக்கிறதுக்கு காரணம், so the leaves are contain one pigment, so that is called the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll, the green pigment leaves வந்து food prepare பண்றதுக்கு help பண்ணுது. Okay ma? So leaves are the kitchen of the plant. Leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant. Known as the kitchen of the plant. Kitchen of the plant by which preparing food using sunlight, water vapor, water, carbon dioxide, and a green color pigment. And a green color pigment called chlorophyll. Pigment called chlorophyll. And then the process by which leaves prepare food is called photosynthesis. Listen children, these are all the functions of leaf. Okay, leaves absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen and water vapor in the air through stomata. And then என்ன செய்யுது, இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த ஸ்டொமேட்டா மூலமாக வாட்டர் வேப்பரை ஏர் வந்து அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுது. அண்ட் தென் லீவ்ஸ் ஆர் நோன் அஸ் த கிச்சன் ஆஃப் த பிளான்ட். லீவ்ஸை தான் பிளான்ஸோட கிச்சன் ஆஃப் த பிளான்ட் சொல்கிறோம். பை ப்ரிப்பேரிங் ஃபுட் யூஸிங் சன்லைட், வாட்டர், கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு இதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்து இது கூட இந்த க்ரீன் கலர் பிக்மெண்ட்டும் இந்த லீவ்ஸ் வந்து ஃபுட் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. அண்ட் தென் த ப்ராசஸ் பை விச் லீவ்ஸ் ப்ரிப்பேர் ஃபுட் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் photosynthesis. The plants வந்து ஃபுட்டு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணக்கூடிய இந்த லீவ்ஸ் வந்து ஃபுட்டு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுது. ஸோ திஸ் மெத்தட் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் திஸ் ப்ராசஸ் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் த photosynthesis. த பிளான்ஸ் வந்து ஃபுட்டு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணக்கூடிய ப்ராசஸ் இஸ் தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், photosynthesis அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, these are all the functions of the leaf. And then next we learn flower. Next we learn the part of the flower. The next part of the leaf plant is called the flower. And then next part is the flower. Flower is the important part of the plant. So that is the very beautiful and attractive part of the plant. Okay, உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் ஏற்கனவே தெரியும் flower தான் அந்த plant ஓட attractive part. So the flowers on different plants have different colors, size, different color, size, shape and fragrances. Fragrances means what ma? That is the smell. Okay, so the different flowers on different plants have different shapes, size, colors and fragrances. Smell different இருக்கும், அதோட ஒவ்வொரு plants-ஓட flowers-ஓட color differ ஆகும். Some flowers are white in color, some are yellow in color, some are purple in color, some are red in color. So that color change ஆகும். At the same time all flowers are in same size? No, some flowers are big, some are small, and then that sizes also differ, and then shapes also differ, and then color also differ, and then that fragrance also smell. Fragrance means what ma? There is the smell. The smell differ ஆகும். So let us learn the part of a flower. Okay, next we learn the part of a flower. First, the part of the stalk is a part of a flower. Okay, the stalk is a part of a flower. Stalk means what? Kambu. Pooda kambu da na children. Stalk and children. The stalk is this is the stalk. The stalk is a part of a flower that connects in the to which other parts are attached. Okay, the stalk is a part of a flower that which other parts are connected, other parts are to which other parts are attached, and then next the part of the stalk is the part of the stalk are attached to the base of the flower. The stalk da enna cheyudhu the flower oda basement ellame so attach pannirukku, and then next that green color part attached to the green color part. So this is the called the that green color part, this called the is known as the receptacle அப்படினு சொல்றோம். சரியா? So the first one is the part of the stalk is to which attach the other parts, attach all other parts of the flower, and then next the stalk of the flower which forms the base of the flower. So that is called the receptacle. And then next this is called the sepals. Sepals. The sepals is a green color part. It is the outermost covering of the flower is called the sepal. சரியா இதோட the outermost covering of the flower is called the sepals. They enclose bud. அந்த bud வந்து இதுக்குள்ள தான் இருக்கும். They enclose the bud. They are green in color. The sepals are green in color. First வந்து இது வந்து பூவோட காம்பு, so that is called the stalk. இதுதான் the flower ஓட basement இது பண்ணிருக்குது, so which forms the base of the flower, so that is called the receptacle. The small green colorல first நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும், so small இது இருக்கும், so that is called the receptacle. And then அதுக்கு மேல green colorல இருக்குறதா sepals. The sepals are green in color. It enclose the bud, and then this is the outermost covering of the flower. And then next one is the petals. Petals are the colorful part of the flower. Okay, ஒரு flower ஓட எல்லா flowers-லையுமே the colorful part தான் என்னன்னா petals அப்படினு சொல்றோம். Okay, so this is red color flower, so this is the petals. And then this flower, this is the petals. எதல் பூவோட எதல் தான் petals னு சொல்றோம். So it is the colorful part of the flower and makes it look attractive. இதுதான் அந்த நம்மள பார்த்து அப்படியே ஒரு நம்மள attract பண்ணுது part petals. Okay, so this is the parts of the flower. First the stalk is the part of the flower to which connect the other parts, and then the stalk of the part which forms the base of the flower is known as the receptacle, and then the outermost part of the flower is called the sepals. The sepals are they enclose bud. இதுக்குள்ள தான் bud இருக்கும், so they enclose the bud and are green in color, and then the petals are the attractive part of the flower and makes it look attractive. And then next functions of flower. Functions of flower. The most important function of flower is the reproduction. Okay, the flower oda most function enna reproduction. Reproduction enna idhula irundhu nama let's give another one plant or seed. Okay, yeah, so most important function of the flower is reproduction. It develops into the flowers develops into fruits. Flowers are develops into fruits. Okay, so most important function of the flower is reproduction. It develops into fruits. And then next we learn that next part of the plant is fruits. Fruits are edible part of the plant. They can eat. Okay, that fleshy part, fruits are have a fleshy part. This is the next part of the plant is a fruit. The fruit is a fleshy part. Okay, fruit is the fleshy part that can be eaten. Okay, the plant oda fleshy part வந்து fruit. இதை நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம் சாப்பிடுறோம். It develops, it contains, the fruits contain seeds. Fleshy parts that can be eaten. And then that fruits contain seeds. Fruits contain seeds. And then function some okay plants such as mango and peach have only one seed. only one seed. சில ஃப்ரூட்ஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரே ஒரு சீட் தான் இருக்கும். And some other plants have papaya, watermelon. Papaya and watermelon contain many seeds. Contain many seeds. It's okay. So next one is the next part of the plant is called the fruit. Fruits are the fleshy parts that can be eaten. Fruits contain seeds. Okay, fruits குள்ள என்ன இருக்கும்? Seeds இருக்கும். And then plants such as mango. Some plants have only one seeds and some other have many seeds. Papaya, watermelon have many seeds. And then functions of the fruit. What is the function of the fruit? Function of fruit. It protects seeds. It protects seed. Okay, so what we learn in this video, we learn that parts of the plant. Part 2, leaves, and then flower and fruits we learn. Okay, part of the leaf and then part of the flower. Next we learn the fruits. So first we learn the flower, the leaves. Leaves are green in color, and then different plants have different size and colors of different size and shapes of leaves. And then flowers are most important and attractive, beautiful part of the flower. And then they develop. There are different flowers of different plants have different color, shape, size, and different fragrances. Smell different இருக்கும். And then next we learn the part of a flower. The stalk is a part of a flower, and then all other parts are attached. Next that base, that stalk is the stalk which form the base of the flower is known as the receptacle. And then that green color part, so that outermost covering of the flower is called the sepals. The sepals, they enclose the bud, they are in green in color. And then next the very attractive part of the petals or the attractive part of the flower and makes it look attractive, very colorful part, petals. Okay, so functions of flower. What is the most important functions of flower? So reproduction. Okay, it develops into the fruits. The flowers develop into fruit. Flower வந்து எதா develop ஆகும், fruit develop ஆகுது. Next fruit பார்த்தோம், இதுதான் நம்ம plantsலயே fleshy part, நம்ம சாப்பிடக்கூடிய பார்ட்டா இருக்குது. And then some plants have only one seed, and then some other have many seeds. Okay, what are the functions of fruit? It protects the seed. Okay ma, thank you.